I just wanted to take a moment to let you know that I'm thinking about all of you, all around the world during this difficult time. Although your level of anxiety may differ depending on where you live, I'm sure that all of you are worried about what lies ahead and how this pandemic will impact us. I wish I could tell you when it will end, because nothing feels worse than uncertainty. But what we do know for sure is that eventually this crisis will end and we'll get through it. One day at a time, we'll get through this together. Day by day, we'll reach the end of this crisis. Please do your part to help the world get through this crisis as quickly as possible by following the directions of your respective governments. Stay healthy, stay positive. Remember that this too shall pass, and never forget, together, there's nothing we can't overcome. Thank you and take care.